From here, Gandhiji watch all the NRIs walking in the park, and he is happy to see his people in different country and improving their financial status. And the birds all around here are from Canada, migrated to here because of the extreme cold conditions, and after coming here they developed their family and extended with some chicks, so they stay till the chicks become adults and then they leave for their country. Till then they happily settled here. And again Gandhiji's statue in different angle, and the birds enjoying the greenery and some lagoon that is more vital for them to get their food. Some human nestings where they dwell, a nice locality, and lots of people enjoy staying here. Quite a place. I love to film it. Hope you also will enjoy watching it. Thank you. Please pass your comments on the video and like it and subscribe if possible. Thank you once again.